today we went to IKEA food court. It was a nice place. You can sit anywhere we like. After we can take some shopping carts. After we can put three boards. We put one, two, three shopping carts. Shopping board. After that we take some food. Salmon. We take salmon sandwich. Our favorite things next. Donut. That's my favorite thing. I like it so much. It was so sweet. After we take donut, we take mashed potato with cheese balls and vegetables. When we went to billing section, we can take some sauce and everything. Sauce we can take. Then we can take Pepsi, Sprite. Then we are eating our salmon. My daddy liked the salmon. I like the donut. My mommy liked the cheese balls and smashed potato with vegetables. It was so tasty. I liked it. I tried the salmon, so I liked it. And then we eat our food, cheese balls. We eat some smashed potato. Then we eat ice cream. It is little expensive, but it's really tasty. I liked it so much.